part number for this is, what is it, 648617T, and it's the powerbuilt loaner ball joint press adapter. So this one says T, and this is the part number up here in the corner. Make sure you know what that is. And we're replacing this ball joint here. So what it's going to do is ride on this, just like that. And that's amazing. But today there's not enough time for this day to expire. So the sun is over that way. Yeah. Okay, so I don't know if you're familiar with that noise or not, but you may have heard it before. So I have to do it right now. I've already got this set up. So we have to remove this bolt right here. Okay, so there's one of them. And here's the other. And okay, so anyway, I go out the door and it's absolutely freezing outside. So the sun is up here now, and this day is here. So I brought it down here. No. So what that likely means is that there's nobody here. You know, one lump or two. Yeah, so remove this. And then bring this over this way. You know, watch your lumps too. So, but this won't come out of here, so you have to hit it with a hammer really hard. So this one falls down from here. So be careful, and it's heavy and it's gonna get damaged. Alright, so put it inside the tire like this. And get the tire iron. And then push on it with your foot like this, and then turn it around. So the rest of that. And you know, what's the difference between the old one and the new one? I don't know. This one's smaller. Another thing is, if you take a look at that car over there and go through there, then it's always going to be here. Alright, now after coaxing it with this one, put on that one. I don't know, I can't coax it enough, but it's really, really hard to turn it around. Alright, so yeah, when you're finished, it should look like this. Now that's the castle nut. Well, the whole point of this thing is that it can turn around this way, but this little harmonic there is like a minstrel or something. Because it's really heavy to think about. Well, that's a castle nut, but you know, this will turn around regardless of how tight it or loose the valves are. So yeah, put the tire back on. Yeah, so that's about it for today. Started here, went all the way over here. And you know, I don't want to work in the dark, so there's that much more time there. Remove this one, remove that one, and then remove this. And we have this here. So what you need to do is hit it with that right there. And I'm going back inside because this is a pain in the neck. Bring it back this way. And you have to align this with this. And then next we're going to get this. Get one of these edges here. Find the edge right there. And then hit on it with the hammer. Just like that. Alright, so look what's happened here. It came out a little bit, but what it's going to do now is just go out like that. Suddenly. Make sure you have enough room there. Put this one in. Screw this down. Alright, so it's this one here, and it fits like that. Alright, so the problem now is, you know, obviously how are we going to turn this thing here, you know? That's absolutely impossible. Just get another jack and reposition that one. Alright, so this, make sure this is aligned here. And this, it comes right out. If you have any trouble with it, just put your, got it, my foot on it like that. This might hurt your arm with this, and we got all, yeah, so anyway, this is stuck. Way to do this is just, you know, grab with your hand, that, pull it up, and then use this pair of pliers first. Well, the Sphinx has expired, and it looks like the tie rod end is going to have to wait. Day number 3. So I got this thing over here, you know, working on yesterday. But here's this. Here. Alright, so I don't have any Allen keys, you know, but hopefully this will work here just like this. Oh wow, this yeah, that didn't work, but I got that much from the Allen key. So let's try a pair of channel locks. Well, the channel locks didn't work. You have to get another jack. Alright, so turn it like that. Very, very slow with the jack. Yeah, so bomb it. It's the 3rd day. Wow. Alright, so that was a lot of hard work. And you better show me what this is. So, yeah. So you just look inside of here real quick. You can't see it yet. Yeah, pretty much. Okay. You know, so we're not making tea. And that's that. Cheers. Delicious. Alright, so that's that. But, and just rock the band back and forth like this, you know. It's alright. What? It made a hell of a difference. Thank you.